What's Daddy doing?
You're just slobbering.
You want it so bad you're drooling? You're on the table. Are you on the table? You want it pretty bad, huh? It's pretty
you want
bad.
some candy?
Yeah.
What color do you want?
Or this.
Which one?
This one?
That one right there?
Yeah.
Okay, you can have it. Not that one either! You take it too!
What do you say?
Bitch.
Yeah, what do you say after you take it? Good job. Good job. And what does Daddy say?
You're welcome.
Good job. Yeah.
You only wanted one and you took two.
What color is the one in your hand?
Three.
It's brown.
No, both.
No, it's brown.
Three.
It's brown.
A two. Three. Four. Five. 6. 8.
Are you counting?
2.
Are you counting? How many M&Ms did you take from Daddy? Did you take 2? Can you count? Can you show Mommy how you count?
Oh. Double that.
You got a pretty messy mouth. Griffin, can you show Mommy how you count?
It's a candle.
Yeah, that's a candle.
Candle?
There's a candle in there? Is that a candle?
I do candle.
Is it a candle? Today is September 17th. Griffin is 22 and a half months
This
old.
one. This one.
I think you might have had enough. Have you had enough?
No.
Have you had enough candy?
What color is that one?
Just one. Just one.
One.
Yeah, just one.
You just gotta take one.
This one. This one.
Which one?
This one.
Okay, just that one though.
No.
It's an orange one.
This one.
Orange.
No!
Yeah, you're pretty ornery, aren't you? What do you say? What do you say to Daddy? Griffin?